Hey guys, welcome back to another Tesla update video. Today I'm going to be talking about my thoughts and what to expect next with Tesla. As you can see, down 0.36% today and closing under this large green trend line that has been holding us as support for a while, as well as this yellow zone that we did have support. We have found support in the past, now using it as resistance. So not exactly what you want to see, but before we get into it, guys, I do have a Discord where I post live trading updates for both Nvidia and Tesla every single day. I posted that 10 posts for each stock, letting you know key levels to watch out for, good buying positions, and when we're extended to one side of the spectrum. You can also drop your questions in the community chat. I will definitely get back to you on that. But yeah, guys, going into Tesla, first thing I want to say is that the 4 SMI is still in the red, still at the bottom of the indicator. And when this does happen, I turn bullish on the stock. And, I do the opposite when we get in the green. When we get in the green, I start to turn bearish. This green up here, we hit all-time highs. I mean, it would have been pretty smart if you were bearish on it. And, our previous all-time highs over here, you can see we were in the green as well. So, and we're in the opposite. We're in the red. So I am bullish on Tesla right now. What I've been doing is just nibbling on positions, repositioning, getting my position better and better. And going tomorrow could be a little tricky, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Tomorrow could be a little tricky. I do think we're gonna get that reversal soon. And before we do get reversals, Tesla likes to get a little volatile. Okay, first option is we could gap up tomorrow, right? We could just gap up and start using this yellow zone as support and just easily break through all that resistance and bada bing, bada boom, start our rally, right? Could happen. But obviously we have a lot of resistance at 438-ish, 440. So I could definitely see us, coming back down to this purple zone, especially because we closed under this green trend line. Could definitely see us coming down to this purple zone, getting a nice retest of this, this purple zone right here. And I would not be surprised, since it is Tesla, I would not be surprised if we actually dipped like a lot, scare the bulls. Like I could definitely see us trying to get trapped and scared tomorrow. So just watch out for that, guys. Just off, trading experience, every time Tesla likes to, is close to reversal, it likes to get pretty volatile in one direction before it moves the other direction. So watch out for that. I would view these, if we get moves down here, I would, definitely add some shares to your position. I think it's a good time to buy. I do think a lot of bulls are going to be waiting in this little area. So, and yeah, once that happens, that 4 SMI is definitely going to be down here again. That 1 hour SMI is going to be in the red again. And I do think it'll be a good time for a reversal. But, we could not get that move down. And I just want to let you guys know that it is a possibility. We could easily just gap up and start heading higher there. But I do want to just mention that I do think that we're close to a breakout, close to a rally. And guys, if we do get that move up, you can see we are forming a bit of a bull flag. Let's see here, guys. So that move up would take us to around, 530-ish, which obviously we're probably not going to get that big of a move, or we definitely could. But I'm just showing, we are creating a bull flag and we are getting pretty close to that bottom and reversal. Definitely don't be shorting the stock right now. I wouldn't be selling my positions either. If anything, I would be just, adding on more and more. Guys, that's about it. At the end of the day, I do think no matter what thing we do, I do think Tesla's going to be going up. Either we, get that trap first or just go up here. No matter what, I do think we're going to get that bullish movement soon. And guys, if you want to know how I'm trading Tesla, so in this downtrend, we started turning red on that 4 SMI around 462-ish. There, I entered a sixth of my position. Once that happened, obviously we tanked some more around 450, bought another 6, tanked more around 440, I think, and I bought some more, and I ended up having position around 450. And then this little green day happened, and I sold around 455-ish, 456, took my profit. And the reason I took my profit is because that 1 hour SMI, was at the top of the indicator. And once that does happen, that means we're probably not going to go any higher for at least short term. So I sold, and what happened, guys? We dipped, and I could reposition it. That's exactly what I did. Guys, I have another sixth of my position at 438. And I will 100% buy more if we dip down near this purple zone. And if we don't, then I'm just in for the ride. So that's how I recommend trading Tesla. Not financial advice, actually. I don't recommend that at all, but it works for me. So do what you want with that information. And again, guys, I do have a Discord, post live trading updates every single day as the market's trading. A lot of people seem to like it. Definitely go check it out. Yeah, guys, peace.